So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel QA Explainer. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you a very good tool that is called Google Antigravity. So guys, this tool is very good actually. We can create that our web application, we can create that website in a minute. So in this video I'll show you that how you can use this tool. So it will take some time. So guys, here you just need to click on next, and you just need to select that everything should be default, and you just need to sign in with your Google account. So I'm selecting my Google account from here and click on sign in. I'm click on always allow anti-gravity tool, and that's all guys, your environment has set it up. Now I'll show you how we can create that website in minutes. And this tool is very easy to use and very good for a non-coder who doesn't have a coding background. You just need to write that prompt or vibe coding technique you for creating that website. So previously I showed you that black box AI with VS Code integration, but here this tool is more good compared to black box AI. Okay. Channel link from here. I will create a website for this for my channel. I'm giving here some prompt, and once my prompt writing has done, then I just need to click on send option. So what this tool will do, this tool will generate that enter theme. This tool will automatically open our browser and check this link, and that link is broken or not. It will access that our channel, it will understand that channel mechanism. Everything will be happen very automatically and very fast way. And see here, it created some task list. Okay, so and see that our browser automatically opened, and now we just need to install that anti-gravity extension here on our browser. See here, this is our browser setup. We just need to click on install extension, so it will install that extension here. See guys, it is reading our channel from YouTube directly, and based upon my channel videos and mechanism and my channel description, it will create the website automatically. Prompt writing is very easy. We don't need to write that a complex prompt. We just if we provide the zero shot prompt, it will done. Now guys, see here, it written some basic code, and this application is, I think, React application it is using. And now let's check this website, what kind of website it created through this AI tool. So it took me around 30 minutes for creating this website. I just some issues was there, I just did some debug and all. So this tool is very good. Now I am launching my website. So guys, this is my website, and it is fully responsive. It is fully automated, and see that the css are very good, and it is very advanced kind of website. See that this is the website it created with just only some couple of prompts, like 3 to 4 prompts it taken. And see here, it added that animated thing as well, and we can directly click on subscribe option. If I click on videos, it will go. Now this website it just created only 30 minutes. If you spend more like 1 or 2 days, your website will be stunning looking. Okay, like previously I used that black box AI tool with VS Code, and that was good, that website was good, and it was very responsive. But I feel like this tool is more proper compared to that black box AI. So this tool is very nice, this Google Antigravity tool. So you just download and check that. I think this video is actually helpful for you if you want to try it. There is nothing, you just see that here all my videos are has came, and it also being categorized. I haven't added that proper prompt here. Previously I used ChatGPT to write that prompt, and then I import it on blackbox AI, and then it created that website. But here nothing I have done. I just only put it my like little zero shot and bad prompt over here, but it created a stunning website. Guys, this was my earlier website, and see that how much difference it is. This website actually doesn't have a proper animation, but this website has proper animation, and css also very good. It is very good looking. So please guys, try this out. This tool is free and it is open source, at least for now. And I hope this video is actually helpful for you. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.